I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside your active iMovie project. Select the clip you want to resize and tap it once to show controls. Once done, choose the crop/zoom icon to access frame controls so you can change composition. Make sure to set your target aspect early, 16, 9 for landscape, 9, 16 for vertical, 1, 1 for social. You're starting edits now, not later, so position the playhead over the clip and verify duration before moving to detailed resizing steps. Now you'll refine size and composition. Tap crop and choose crop to fill to define the exact frame area. You can pinch to zoom to scale the image and drag to recompose so important elements stay inside safe margins. If you need motion, choose Ken Burns and set start/end frames. Otherwise, stick with static crop to fill for precise sizing. Make sure to preview playback so you can spot clipped heads or unintended edge cuts before finalizing adjustments. Finish by exporting. Tap Done, Share, then save video and pick resolution that matches your chosen frame to avoid rescaling. If you see black bars or letterboxing, reopen the clip and reapply crop to fill with the exact aspect ratio. These bars mean the project aspect differs from the export. If iMovie won't deliver the precise frame size you need, consider a lightweight app to reframe or use a desktop editor. But first, double-check project settings and each clip's crop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.